Natco is founded upon its strong principles in making critical therapeutic options affordable to the masses, complying with international quality standards through indigenous processes and research. And internationally, its flag flutters because of the discipline it has brought to ideas, innovative processes and research.
We are in a business last 25 years. We are able to bring most of the drug prices to reach the common man.
My association with Natco is a little over a decade now. So starting with simple things like online set run, Natco has come a long way in bringing not just chemotherapy drugs but targeted therapies which are in dire need to cancer patients. Natco is uniquely poised in bringing affordable cancer drugs to millions of patients in India and across the world.
Natco has always dreamt of being a force in the pharmaceutical industry. And today, after 3 decades of strenuous and focused effort, it enjoys the respect of all its peers and competitors as a name to reckon with in the pharmaceutical industry. The company is a brand leader in the generics oncology segment in India and is counted amongst the handful of Indian companies engaged in path-breaking new drug discovery programs. Natco has built a strong reputation for quality, affordability and innovation. When Natco began in 1981, its dreams were modest along with its product range. And it had a team of 20 employees. Over the years, Natco has grown into an over $100 million company with over 2,500 employees, a pharma major with landmark patents and products marketed across the globe. Its products and services include APIs and finished dosage forms. The company focuses on products with patent challenge opportunities to launch products ahead of patent expiry.
We aim to continuously increase and maximize the stakeholders' wealth. We do this by examining the usefulness of each of the assets that we employ in the business, its productivity and its usefulness and the purpose.
The Natco you see today is spread across several geographies, a transformation from its single location origin 3 decades ago. Its scientists and researchers, all stars, operate in a state-of-the-art 70,000 square feet of laboratory space, with a further 15,000 square feet earmarked for high-potency compounds.
In the year 1995, Natco's Research and Development Division was started with over 15 scientists. And now we reached a stage where 230 scientists work on various areas of anti-cancer segment of research. The R&D teams are working on 3-4 core areas of anti-cancer research. One is generic process research involving fusion technologies of biotech and synthetic process. And second is discovery research of new chemical entities, focusing on some rare forms of cancer. And we are also very active in patent litigation, challenging some of those invalid patents or evergreen patents of multinationals.
But that's not all. There's a spanking new facility for cytotoxic APIs and biotechnology products in Chennai, and a huge expansion of the existing formulations plant at Kothur near Hyderabad, meant for cyto-orals and cyto-injectables.
We have positioned ourselves into the formulation development and manufacturing of high value and low volume oncology products. These niche oncology products pose several challenges in terms of technology development and facility requirement, giving rise to immense opportunities. Natco has filed several ANDAs and dossiers which will enable us to market the products in USA and Europe.
Production at its API plant at Mekagoda near Hyderabad will soon be ramped up to 650 kiloliters capacity.
We believe in quality by design during development and quality management systems during production of drug substances and drug products. We strongly believe in the power of human resource for the growth of the company. We continuously train them to comply with the ever-changing regulations.
Without a doubt, Natco's already large capacities are not laurels that the company intends to rest on. Natco's facilities are among the best in the world. Conforming to international quality standards, the facilities are inspected and approved by the top regulatory bodies of the world, such as US FDA, German Health Authority, Hamburg, Australia TGA, COFEPRIS, Mexico, Korean FDA, amongst others. Natco has leveraged its success in India and abroad to tie up with some of the leading and respected pharma companies in the business.
Natco's pride lies in marketing and marketing niche products. We have a very competent and skillful team of product managers, field managers with vast experience backed by marketing services that stands to be lauded by the medical fraternity. This is further validated by the fact that we have established nearly 35% growth each year for the last 8 years. We have been perceived and held in high esteem by the oncologists, and in today's marketing, it is not product and services alone, but it goes beyond, and Natco lives up to that.
The company strongly believes in triple bottom line approach to its business, with a strong commitment towards profit, people and planet. Natco employs the best green practices available to minimize and recycle waste wherever possible. State-of-the-art effluent treatment plants and incinerators installed at the manufacturing plants corroborates its commitment towards a better environment.
We at Natco Pharma, with a strong commitment towards corporate social responsibility, imbibe the culture of live and let live into every aspect of our operations at macro and micro level. We believe good manufacturing practices are complete when quality is achieved with good environment, safety and health.
As part of its corporate social responsibility, the company's CSR wing, Natco Trust, focuses on education, primary health, nutrition, and sanitation. It also provides patient counseling in cancer hospitals and mobile health clinics. The company directly supports 5 schools and has built a pediatric oncology ward for children in MNJ Cancer Hospital, Hyderabad. These CSR initiatives conducted through its Natco Trust stem strongly from its desire to give back to society, especially to those who are underprivileged.
Natco CSR aims to have a positive impact through its activities on the consumers, on the environment, on the employees, the communities and the stakeholders. When a company chooses to effect positive change on the people and spaces around it, I think it says a lot about the company. It's just the spirit, the essence of the company.
All this from a company that took its first step 3 decades ago, knowing fully well that the journey was going to be a long but extremely satisfying one.
I see Natco making a big difference for the society. I think a lot of the things that we've done over the last 10 years have made a lot of difference in terms of making affordable drugs available and doing patent challenges and products where not many guys are willing to challenge. Going forward, we believe that we can set the precedents that we have done in the past. We're able to hopefully repeat these precedents in terms of doing these hard-to-do products and making a difference to humanity.
And as Natco strides into the future, the strength of its actions and the results thereof clearly indicate that this coming decade will be the one that sees the greatest success of all its existence.
We're all looking forward for exciting days ahead.
All rooted in its tradition of trust and reliability.